Hello everyone, I'm going to show you today how to install Palo Alto Panhandler. So before we start, you need to make sure you have WSL installed. So I have done a video how to do it, and I'll put the link below the description, so you can use this if you like to see how to install WSL. Once you have WSL installed and running, you need to install the Docker. So if you download the Docker, once downloaded, proceed with the installation. This might take a while, so I will skip the video and come back once this is ready. Once installed, click on close and log out, and you'll be signed out from the Windows. Once you sign in again, you'll see this pop up automatically on the screen, so you can click accept. Go to settings. Make sure this is unticked, so we don't need to have this selected. Open PowerShell and run it as administrator. And type the command here, so which we can test. So we can run this, basically docker ps first. So that shows it's working as it should be. We can also test this as well. Okay, so this message shows that your installation appears to be working correctly, which is fine. Now next bit, we need to install the Panhandler, so copy this. And then the next bit, we need to create the volume, so we need to add these two as well. And let's run this so we can check if everything is correctly installed. Okay, so it's looking fine. Next bit is we need to copy and paste all of this. Okay, so we can open the page. Username should be Palo Alto, and the password should be Panhandler. And we can see we can now get our configuration and everything we want to use. I'll make a new video, show you how to use a Panhandler. This is for today. Thank you very much, and I hope you enjoy. Bye.